Standard 9, Artificial Intelligence Neural Network. Students, we are going to read today Artificial Intelligence Neural Network. So, basically, to understand neural networks, we have to understood these points. Neural networks are networks of neurons. For example, as found in real, that is biological brain. It is taken theory is taken from our human brain, how it works and how the things are done. So, artificial neurons are crude approximations of the neurons found in real brains. They may be physical devices or purely mathematical constructs. So, artificial neural networks are networks of artificial neurons and hence constitute crude approximations to parts of real brains. They may be physical devices or simulated on conventional computers. So, from a practical point of view, an artificial neural network is just a parallel computational system consisting of many simple processing elements connected together in a specific way in order to perform a particular task. So, one should never lose sight how crude the approximations are and how oversimplified our artificial neural networks are compared to real brains. So, why are artificial neural networks worth studying? Actually, this topic is they are extremely powerful computational devices. Massive parallelism makes them very efficient. They can learn and generalize from the training data. So, there is no need for enormous feast of programming. So they are practically fault tolerant, they are very noise tolerant, so they can cope with situations where normal symbolic systems would have difficulty. In principle, they can do anything symbolic or logic system can do and more. So why? What are neural networks used for? Basically, it is used for brain modeling, artificial system construction. So in brain modeling, the biological goal of constructing models of how real brain works. This can potentially helps us understand the nature of perception, actions, learning, and memory, thought, and intelligence, or formulate medical solutions to brain damaged patients. Next is artificial system construction. The engineering goal of building efficient systems of real world application. This may make machines more powerful and intelligent, relieve humans of tedious tasks, and may even improve upon human performance. So, both methodologies should be regarded as complementary and not competing. Next is learning processes in neural network. As we can see here, among the many interesting properties of neural network is the ability of the network to learn from its environment and to improve its performance through learning. The improvement in performance takes place over in accordance with some prescribed measure. A neural network learns about a neural network learns about its environment through an iterative process of adjustment applied to its synaptic weights and thresholds. So there are basically three broad types of learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These are some historical notes. 1943, McLaw and Pitts proposed neural model, have published his book The Organization of Behavior, in which the Hebbian learning rule was introduced, that was in 1949, and so on. It is given here. As you can see, multiple thoughts has been given here in different years. And in 1990, the ART variant networks were developed in 1990. Radical basis functions were developed in 2000. Support vector machines were developed. So neural network application, that is brain modeling, and real world application, as we have discussed. So basically, brain modeling aid our understanding of how the brain works, how behavior emerges from the interaction of networks of neurons. And real world, first is their financial modeling, है ना? Financial modeling, serious prediction, computer games, uh, backgammon, robotics, pattern recognition, activity, sonar signals, data analysis, bino bioinformatics, that is DNA sequencing alignment. The next is nervous system, as the theory is basically taken from here. So the human nervous system can be broken down into three stages that can be represented in block diagram, as here are effectors, neural net, repeaters, and simulate responses. Basically, these theories are given here. So brain versus computer, very important topic and very interesting topic. So processing element, there are 10 to the power 14 synapses in the brain compared with the 10 to the power 8 transistors in the computer. Processing speed 100 hertz for the brain compared to the 10 to the power 9 hertz for the computer. So these theories are given here, as you can see. So this was all about neural network. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Take care, everyone.